If you're wondering how to create estimates in Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this quick Housecall Pro explanation, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can start creating accurate estimates for your clients right away. Whether you're just getting started or need a refresher, I've got you covered. First, let's get you logged into Housecall Pro. Once you're in, navigate to the Jobs tab on the dashboard, then click on Create Estimate. From here, you'll be able to enter the specifics of the job you're quoting. Start by selecting the customer you're creating the estimate for. If this is a repeat customer, Housecall Pro makes it easy by pulling their information automatically. If it's a new customer, you can quickly add their details so everything is ready to go. Next, you'll add the details for the service you're estimating. This is where you can get very specific. You can choose from the pre-made services you've set up or create a new one if necessary. Don't forget to adjust the quantity, pricing, and add any notes to ensure your estimate is as accurate as possible. Housecall Pro also lets you add materials to your estimate, which is super handy when you need to break down costs for things like parts or supplies. Simply click on Add Material, choose your materials from the list, or create a custom one if it's something unique to your job. Once you've got your services and materials lined up, you'll see a running total for the estimate. Housecall Pro automatically calculates everything for you, which saves you a lot of time compared to manual calculations. You can also apply discounts or taxes if needed, adjusting the final price to reflect what you want to offer the customer. Before you send the estimate, you'll have the option to review everything. This is your chance to double check that all the details are correct. You can also make any final tweaks if necessary, and even upload photos or attachments to the estimate to give the customer more context. When you're happy with the estimate, it's time to send it off. You can email the estimate directly from Housecall Pro or generate a PDF to download and send it another way. If you want to keep track of when the estimate was viewed or accepted, Housecall Pro lets you monitor that too, which is a nice touch. It's also worth mentioning that Housecall Pro lets you convert accepted estimates into jobs, making the transition from proposal to actual work seamless. This feature is incredibly valuable for keeping your workflow organized and efficient. Now, here's the kicker. You can try Housecall Pro completely for free by clicking the first link below. With our exclusive bonuses, you can dive into these features and more without any commitment. And don't forget, Housecall Pro is not just about estimates. There's a whole suite of tools that'll help you manage your business more effectively, from scheduling to invoicing. I'll leave a link for that extended free trial so you can get started right now. Whether you're estimating jobs or managing your entire business, Housecall Pro has the tools you need to stay on top. Thanks for watching.